Hey everybody, Two Curious Cats here, Jordan and Holly.
And we're here at Gauntly Bridge in West Virginia.
Yes. Welcome to Gauntly Bridge. And it's been raining a while.
So that's probably why it's this mucky chocolate brown.
But oops.
Yahoo.
So yeah, we just kind of stopped here to get some pictures. Thought we'd do it like a real quick vlog of it. And this is Gauntly Bridge right here.
Beautiful Gauntly, West Virginia. This is a very hard place to get to, so search far and wide. And it seems to be popular with the ladies.
Alright, so that's just another like little quick vlog from us.
If you like this video, we'll give it a big thumbs up, just like this giant waterfall.
Subscribe for more videos like this and comment down below other neat places that we should go ahead and visit, okay? Thanks so much and we'll see y'all in the next video.
Love you.